Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language on eFootball. Changing the language in eFootball is easy once you know where to look. First of all, open up eFootball application and wait for it to load. From the home page, go ahead and tap on the Extras button at the top right corner and click on Game Settings. Inside Game Settings, look for language and tap on it. Now, from the list of available languages, tap on the language you'd like to change to and click on Done at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your language and it will take effect right after it. Now you can enjoy eFootball in the language you are most comfortable with, whether you are diving into career mode or challenging others online. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.